How to file taxes on Freetaxusa. Want to file your taxes online for free or low cost? Let's walk through Freetaxusa step by step. So start by creating a Freetaxusa account with your email and password. Log in to begin your return. So click on this Start 2025 return. And that will take you to the sign in page where you can sign into your account. Click on this create a new account button to start creating your account. So you'll need to enter your email address, username, phone number, and password. Now, after that, go ahead and enter your personal details such as your social security number and filing status. This sets up your return. Input your income. You can manually enter W-2 and 10099 forms or import them if supported. Free Tax USA guides you through deductions and credits, like education expenses, child tax credit, or retirement contributions. Review your entries and the system calculates your refund or balance due instantly. Federal filing is free. State filing costs a small fee. Submit electronically and get confirmation. Free Tax USA is best for straightforward returns. It's budget friendly, accurate, and IRS approved. And that is the easy guide to filing taxes on Free Tax USA.